Hello, I'm Thomas Yee, founder of Bayfine Strings Violin Shop, and I'm here to do an unboxing of two bows made by the bow maker Gilles Nehr. And it's the newest iteration of his Tête-Bêche bow. I have a set of buttons, adjustable buttons here that we'll see. So I will open that up first here. Buttons for a viola bow. It's very nice packaging by Gilles Nehr. And then here probably is the bow buttons for the violin bow that's here. Right here. Buttons for violin bow. So that's great. So let's open up this package. We must probably open it from here. So I will get working on that here. In 2023, I did an exhibition of contemporary makers. We did a concert, and there was work of many makers. And there was a special exhibition and profile of Gilles' work, where we showed some old designs, some historical designs of the Tête-Bêche. And so at that exhibition was actually the largest conglomeration of Tête-Bêche bows assembled in one place. So it was a very nice event. So let's see which one is which. Oh wow, amazing. This is the Pernambuco Tête-Bêche with titanium nitride coating for the titanium parts. So it's a ceramic type coating that makes the frog golden, and the tip. Stunning design. It's just truly beautiful. Wow, congratulations. There's a set of bow buttons here that we can use to change out the button so you can actually have different weights. Now let's take a look at the viola bow, which is made of Giraffe-Thorn Acacia. So it's made of this wood that's indigenous of the savannas of Africa, and it has a blondish color. Lo and behold, the Tête-Bêche Acacia for viola. Beautiful, stunning bow. It's very nice. Congratulations. And that concludes the unboxing of the Tête-Bêche bows for Bayfine Strings.